What happened?
You're handsome.
No, I'm not. Stop
Rohit,
lying.
Rohit, you are so
I'm
handsome,
tired.
Rohit. You're so handsome,
No,
Rohit.
no. You are so
Trust.
pretty. You are like so pretty.
Thank you.
No,
But you're
no, Rohit.
handsome.
Actually, you're very
You're
handsome.
handsome.
What about my hairs? I got a new haircut and people are like roasting me on my hairs.
बहुत सुंदर.
Sachi.
So bad. So bad.
Nah, achi, it was nice. Good
It's good.
Hindi. I was like shocked.
Booked.
But thank you so much. You're from P-
Malaysia.
Malaysia. Are you Indian?
Yes.
Like South Indian?
No, I'm North.
I'm south.
Okay. Okay. So हिंदी आती है आपको?
थोड़ी.
Do understand कर लेते हो? Do you
Yes.
understand?
I don't, but she does.
She doesn't
Okay.
speak in English.
Okay. I like her hairs.
Me?
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you. Curly hair.
And your glasses, t-shirt and nails.
Thank you, Rohit. Rohit, you're such a nice guy, you know.
Okay. It's hard to believe, but thank you.
Why? So sad, Rohit. Why? You're a nice
Why?
guy. You have to believe us.
Okay. So what you do in Malaysia?
We're studying.
Okay. What you study about? Medical?
Yes, medical.
I know. How
Because
old
we're
are you?
22, 21.
Oh, really?
Yes.
You don't look 21 or 22. I thought you would be like 18 or less than 18.
Me?
Both of you.
Oh my god, you're young.
How old I look?
21.
You look 21 and handsome.
I'm 22. I'm 22. You are so humble and cute.
Thank you.
Thank you, Rohit. You are humble, cute, handsome, funny, nice hair, clear skin.
Exactly.
But you also a liar.
No,
We're not lying.
We're not lying
We're
to
not
you.
lying.
चलो ठीक है यार मेरे को इतनी वो नहीं है मतलब क्या कहते हैं छोड़ो.
He said, what should I say? No?
He said, I always feel like. Okay, never mind.
Oh, okay.
He didn't say it. Don't be
Tell
shy.
us,
Don't be
tell
shy
us.
and don't doubt yourself. Believe in yourself.
Okay, but my people not support my looks.
Come to
Are you
Malaysia. If you
serious?
come to Malaysia,
You
you
come
have
to
100
Malaysia.
girlfriends. 100 girlfriends.
I'm single since birth. No one liked me.
Oh.
This is your chance.
What?
Lying. You can go to drive.
Like I was fat and like ugly.
Oh, that's why you
That's
don't
why.
believe.
That's
That's
why you
why you
don't
don't believe
believe.
us when we say that you're handsome.
People roast me. Like I started gym 7 or like 8 months ago. I was like too fat. It was like fit. I lose a lot.
Trust me, you're so handsome now. Believe me. Believe me. Okay?
Thank you so
Promise.
much.
Promise.
In Malaysia. In Malaysia,
Promise
you will
you.
get
Yeah.
you will get girls. You will get girls in Malaysia.
Okay. Can you like rate my physique out of 10? Like my
Okay,
progress?
okay.
Wait,
Sure,
let
sure.
me turn on the light.
You're lying about the 7 months. You're lying about the 7 months.
No, I was fat. I was fat like last December.
You're lying.
No,
You're lying. You're
I
lying.
can show
Instagram
you
करो,
my I can
करो.
show you my photos.
मुझको Instagram
Okay,
करो.
okay, wait.
You're lying about that.
No, I was. I can show you. Wait. I have photos. Wait, let me show you.
In
Wait,
7
give me a
months,
moment.
Okay, but in 7 months?
Like I was in bulk. Now
Oh,
I'm yeah.
okay.
Wait.
So you're not actually fat. You're still alright.
Thank you so much.
Exactly.
And you know what? I have long hairs. Morning tak. Today's morning. I just got a cut and it was gone wrong.
Really? Why?
Yeah.
How your hair was long like mine?
Wait a second. Oh,
I'm dead.
this was my hair. Wait a second. Um,
Should I like? Let me just go
you can
and.
see
Okay,
my
okay.
hairs. It was too long. Like
No, it's nice.
It's nice though. It's
no,
still nice.
like big from back. फोटो में पता चलेगा आपको.
Oh, you said it doesn't. You can't see it in the photos.
Wait. See,
Wait, look.
Your transformation is amazing.
Yeah, it's amazing.
thank you so much.
Which part of India are you in?
Middle Haryana.
Oh, I've never been there.
Oh, okay. You should.
Is it nice?
Yeah, kind of. Not really, to be honest.
Yeah. India is a bit.
What?
Some places of India are nice, but some
Yeah.
places.
Yeah, and wait. It's my Insta.
Yay!
Bekalki.
Shukriya.
Wait. This was my like public account, and second one is my private account. You can add me there.
Thank you.
Yeah. You can find my second account in my first one.
Okay. So cute, huh? Such a nice guy.
Oh my god, you're
See my
famous.
photos.
You're famous.
You're famous.
Not really. I'm not famous.
Will you even follow me back? You won't follow
I
me
can.
back.
I will follow you back on my private.
on your private.
Look at his. Damn.
Follow the private. Actually,
Talk to him.
Yeah, hairs are bad. See my previous one.
Okay.
previous one.
Previous hair style.
Oh, your previous hair, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Why do you not like your haircut?
Not right now. Maybe 2-3 days later.
Why do you not like your haircut?
Because people said a lot to me.
You know why they're saying things to you? They're jealous of you because you're better.
Oh, okay.
Exactly.
Okay.
Exactly.
Criticism, people's comments is always jealousy in disguise.
Oh,
Look
okay.
at you, Rohit. You're handsome, you're funny, your body is amazing. Of course, people will be jealous of you.
Okay.
But your hair is very nice.
Your hair is nice, really.
With a heart.
Okay.
Your
Thank
hair
you
is
so
nice.
much.
Your hair is nice. Don't
Thank
listen to
you.
what other people say.
And you guys are like so pretty, cute, and humble.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. What do you do for work? Do you work?
I'm digital artist.
Digital artist.
Yeah. I make art.
Oh, do you want to see my
This
friend's
is
art?
this is my art. I'm
Oh, okay. I take my words back. You are better than me.
painting.
No, you are better than me.
No, digital art is different. No?
Digital art
It's
is
different.
Yeah. I don't make on like paper or canvas. I have practiced drawing, but you wanna see? Wait, let me show you my practice work. It is काफी पुराना है, 2-3 साल पुराना. Are you laughing?
No.
I was telling her that you're so handsome.
No, I'm not.
No, she was really telling me that. I swear to God, that's why we're giggling.
Wait. No, and don't react like that. इतना अच्छा भी नहीं है यार, आपकी ज्यादा अच्छी थी. नहीं.
Ah, you're
ये
so
ये
good.
काफी पुरानी है, 2-3 साल. अभी नया कुछ ड्रॉ किया है नहीं. नहीं यार, तुम ज्यादा ही हम बोलो. You are
Lord, I'm not being humble. I'm being real. It's so good. So good.
okay.
This is your
No,
contradiction.
no.
You
this
know
is-
what? इतने इतने अच्छे लोग इंडिया में होते नहीं हैं, इतने humble and supportive.
Really?
Yeah,
That's so sad.
yeah, it is.
In India, that's not. In India, people don't support him. There's no humble.
Why?
I don't know why. That's why I'm like hard to believe on you.
So sad.
What's
Come
that?
to Malaysia. Come to Malaysia.
Okay, I will.
Visit Malaysia.
People will support you. People will love you. She will
Okay.
marry you.
Okay.
Shadi,
What?
Shadi?
Wait. Before that, what's your type in guys?
You.
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 वाह. और मेरे को सही में दी. चलो ठीक है. Nice tattoos. What's that? Like on your
This?
arms? Yeah.
It's a
Okay. Heart, butterfly.
yes.
That's cool.
Do you have any tattoos?
Yeah, on fingers.
What does
It's-
it say?
It says love and pain.
I love Rohila.
I love it.
You're
So
amazing.
nice.
You are amazing.
Hmm.
Amazing.
यार मैं I'm ठीक है. Thank you so much. I don't know how to react or how to like
कोई
take
बात
your-
नहीं. कोई बात नहीं.
So what you doing here?
This is our first time using Monkey. We were
Yeah.
just bored.
Okay.
Have you
That-
been on Monkey before? Like,
Yeah, I have. Like I was not good in like communication, so I came here to improve my communication skills. नहीं. By the way, you have like new good aesthetic.
Who?
Both of you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you.
I'm so shy.
I'm
I'm-
shy too.
Like I also have oversized clothing store online. That's why
Really?
I like her oversized t-shirt.
Oversized
Can you
t-shirt.
give me a like outfit check?
Oh, you want to see an outfit check? See.
Oh, damn.
Fit
Damn.
I did the body.
Fit
Oh,
check.
you are tall. That's
She's so tall. Wait, look at our
So
height.
tall.
and
at-
you
look
guys
at
are whoa.
See our height.
Yeah.
She is. Oh. Okay. Cute.
Cute. Crazy.
And you are like pretty.
Oh.
Both of you.
Pretty?
Both of you.
How tall
And-
are you?
I'm 5'10".
Oh, okay.
How tall are you?
5'8".
5'8". Okay. And what about her?
5'1".
5'1". Okay. Okay.
Chotu.
Like- Cute. You have long hairs though.
Me?
Both.
Oh, yeah, she has
Yeah,
long
both.
hair too.
Why did you pull it? Why did you pull my hair?
So funny.
So why you have like boyfriend?
No.
Why not?
Why not?
Yeah, why not? You guys are like most most humble, cute person. And why don't?
Tell him. Tell him.
You tell you, wait.
No, I don't know how to tell him. They don't like us. They treat us like shit.
Why?
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 We try to love them, but they don't love us back.
come to India.
Oh my god.
That's why she
Now.
Let me show you my ex. Let me show you my
Okay,
ex.
okay, okay,
I'll show you, okay?
okay.
I'm dead, bro. Wait. Give me 1 second. Give me 1 second. This is my ex.
Okay.
He laughed.
No, he's fine. He's fine.
No, it's fine.
What's wrong with him?
He's very ugly.
No, he's not.
No. He's fine.
Yeah. Cheated on me.
He cheat on you. He's not fine. I will never cheat. Like I date to marry. That's why I'm single since birth.
Me too. I did to marry.
Okay. Let's go on a date then.
Will you come to Malaysia?
Okay, I will. For you.
For real?
Yeah, if you want to.
Cool. Do it, bro.
It's amazing. You can draw. Spit.
Okay, come to Malaysia.
Okay, I will.
Amazing.
Come to Malaysia, okay? We will meet in the
Okay.
city.
Sure.
You don't sound so you don't sound so sure.
What?
You don't sound so sure.
I am.
Shyla.
Yeah, but I'm shy and don't have like good communication skills.
I'm
I
shy.
can't like show my true emotions.
She can help you with that. She will help you.
She will help you.
He wants to be with
He
you.
wants to be with you.
No. You want to do
No, you're
it.
asking him.
No.
You're asking
I
him.
don't want to.
Yeah?
Okay. Yeah.
She wants to go out with you.
Okay, me too. I asked before.
Me?
Yeah.
Her?
N-
I'm dead.
Let's decide on like text. Okay, I have to go now. I have to travel to other state. Bye. See you there. Bye bye.
Bye.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.